Chimney mi gente, Louis the Boiler Man here. Wepa! Guys, listen, it's installation day. Today we're taking out the time to start ripping out this concrete because we have to get access to the oil tank. We're abandoning this oil tank. It's a 275 oil tank. It's underground, and by code, if you're going from oil to gas, you have to abate the oil tank, and you got to pull the permit to the health department. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Also, we're doing an oil to gas conversion in this particular job. So we got to run new gas piping. We're going to change the burners. We're not changing the whole boiler. We're just changing the burner. We're installing an EZ gas burner. What else we do? Oh, and we're installing a new chimney liner. So guys, it's a process. So I'm going to take you through the process. I'm going to show you through the video what it is to do an oil to gas conversion. I know sometimes guys think it's easy. It's not that easy. It's a project. You guys can see we have about we have like 5-6 guys here working today, and we're going to get this process. We're going to get this job done today, not tomorrow. Today. Stay tuned, guys.